Your fridge is empty, your bank account is crying, and you are 2 minutes away from eating a plain slice of bread. Stop! We are making egg and cabbage stir fry. It's basically a huge in a bowl for people who are broke but have standards. Subscribe right now to save your stomach because dinner is served. Ready? Let's go! First, grab some ginger, 3 or 4 slices. Now, the garlic, slice them up. If you want your breath to be a weapon of mass destruction tomorrow, feel free to mince them. Then, cut the green onions in half. Chop them into 1-inch pieces. And keep the whites and greens separate. They have different personalities and they aren't ready to mingle yet. And if you've got a carrot, slice it up. Keep it thin. We are making dinner, not a chew toy. Now, let's deal with the cabbage. Don't worry about perfect squares. Just chop them into stress relief bite-sized pieces. Set those aside and let them think about what they have done. Now the eggs. Crack 2 or 3 into a bowl. Beat them like they owe you money, but just a little bit. We want them fluffy, not traumatized. Splash in some water or Shaoxing wine for that tipsy cloud vibe, and a drizzle of oil so they slide out of the pan like a celebrity on a red carpet. Pure high glam eggs, 0 sticking. While you're at it, mix your magic sauce, kombu dashi or oyster sauce if you're fancy, sugar, soy sauce, white pepper powder, and a bit of water. Give it a quick swirl. Now, let's cook. Heat up some oil over medium heat, and in goes the eggs. See? Not too hot. We are not looking for an explosion here. Just use your spatula to gently push the eggs around. Slow and steady. We want them to form nice, soft folds, almost like silk. Once they are barely set, and I mean barely, get them out. We are making fluffy clouds, not rubble balls. Now, same pan. Because we hate washing dishes. Add another heat of oil and drop in that ginger. Hear that? A nice gentle sizzle. Now, the garlic and green onion whites. Keep them moving until that smell hits you. Oh yeah, that smells of a home-cooked wind. Toss in the carrot. Give them a 2-minute workout. Why? Because carrots are tough guys. They need oil to soften their hearts and release that bright orange glow. Splash in some Shaoxing wine for a little boozy boost. Now, we are talking. Now the main event. Dump in all the cabbage. It looks like a mountain now, but trust me, it will shrink faster than my bank account. Toss it around for 3 minutes until it softens but keeps its personality. That's good for a nice defiant crunch. No mush allowed, we are not making baby food. Now for the magic. Pour in the sauce we mixed earlier. Give it a quick stir first. Make sure every piece of cabbage is wearing a shiny new coat. Oh, look at that glaze bubbling up. It's hugging every single leaf like liquid gold. Absolute perfection. Now, slide the eggs back in, add those scallion greens, and stir them around for one final glorious mix. Quick taste test here. Add a pinch of salt now if you need. Make it yours. Just like that, we are done. One last thing, a tiny drizzle of toasted sesame oil for that fragrance. Look at that! Vibrant, savory, and cost less than your bus fare. If this recipe just saved your evening, hit that like button and watch this next video for more ways to stay lazy and well fed. Now, I'm going back to my couch. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!